Hey fam, I know it's been a little while, but I am here. Okay, so today I'm going to, I rinsed this, what the heck is that? So basically, I wanted to rearrange my spice cabinet. I've been doing a lot of things the past year or whatever, and I haven't really been sharing it with y'all or whatever, so I just thought, let me just record what I'm doing, and I'll decide whether to edit it to post it later. So anyway, I hope you're doing fantastic. For those who don't know, I got a Cricut maker about a year ago. A Cricut maker is a machine that you can, it's basically a cutting machine. Not basically, it does a lot more than that. You know that I also have a business where I sell a lot of things actually. Beauty products and personalized products, custom shirt, custom bottles, and all those things, I also started selling pantry labels and makeup drawer organizer labels, using vinyls. And recently I ventured into making pantry labels using printable vinyls, and I wanted to revamp my spice cabinets with these printable vinyl labels. That's just a little brief overview or brief update about kind of a little bit of the things I've been up to since I've been away. Oh yay, I just got my COVID test results, negative, awesome. All right, so my spice cabinet is up here, so I'm just gonna offload it. I'm gonna take the things out. I got this spice jar from Amazon Australia. It's been a while since I talked to camera, so I'm feeling a little bit awkward. I wonder if I even look good. Anyway, so I got the spice jars from Amazon. When I was researching smart home techs and whatnot, I stumbled across this beautiful girl's YouTube channel, and I was like, oh, that's really cool. And then I saw that she also did a spice cabinet, spice jar makeover. I saw this specific spice jar in her video, and I decided to order it myself. So I'll put a link to that down below as well. So this spice jar comes with its own, labeling and stuff, and you can use pencil or chalk or whatever to write your label, but we're not going to use that. I already printed label. This is how my label goes out to customers. But right now I need to rinse these spice jars. They're 200 mils. I just love how skinny and tall it is. That's why I really wanted to order this one. I did. So I went ahead and I took down the spices from the spice cabinet, and I just arranged them according to how I feel they're gonna go. I ended up, peeling the labels off and place it on each spice, just kind of have an idea. But I decided to use a different spice jar label format, which I'm going to show you later on. And as I said earlier, I overlaid the text. I actually ended up buying another pack. So I ended up having 20 spice jars, but 18 with spices. So here's me just filling the spice jars. So here we go. I went ahead and I designed the spice jar labels. And as I said, I chose another format because I actually like this. I didn't want to use the numbers one because I would want to keep the numbers even and, sequential, if that makes any sense. So I decided to use this that doesn't have numbers. So I offered these two different methods to customers. I'm using Cricut Design Space to help me, format it and get ready to cut it with the Cricut Maker machine. If you want a detailed video on how I make the labels or how I do anything with Cricut Maker, or you haven't heard about it before and just want me to go more in depth about it, let me know. First, I have to send it to printer, and then I place it on the mat, and I choose my cutting setting. And for this, I choose sticky notes, which I already modified to 171 pressure. Again, if you're not really aware of the Cricut machines, you won't really know what I'm talking about. But if you're aware of it, you will know what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and I cut it. So I went ahead and I also did a use by label, which I also designed using Adobe, and I cut it using the Cricut machine. And I'm adding the use by labels to the back of the spice jars, and I also put the date. And I also decided I'm going to place the label 1 inch down, if that makes any sense. And I really love the way that looks, so I went ahead and I used marker to mark that 1 inch point, so that way I don't have to keep doing it for each jar, and everything is just nice and uniform, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, and the labels are they're water resistant, tear resistant, and like I can, you know, reposition it. It's really good. I really love this label. So here is me, you know, putting label on the spices. Everything looks so good, and I love how the whole spice jar cabinet turned out. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know it's been a while. Let me know down below what you'd like to see from me. I'm not really in the mood to do makeup videos right now, you know what I mean? But yeah, anything else, let me know what you'd like to see. Okay, thanks for watching. As always, remember to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye, Lord willing.